Keep the line moving smoothly now.
Watch the gap on the left, easy does it.
Keep them moving slowly now.
Clear on this side, heading to chute 3.
The thermal scan confirms optimal temperature.
And the sensor readings are all within the acceptable parameters, Doctor.
Eye exam complete, vitals stable, everything looks healthy.
Noted, Doctor. Updating the status now. Vitals are stable. Ensure the ultrasound data is logged under the current ID.
Confirmed. Moving the next animal into position now. Health status confirmed. Apply the green tag.
Confirmed. Data uploaded to the central system.
Scan complete. Vitals look excellent. Confirmed. Uploading to the central database now.
Vitals look good on tag 4R, proceed to the next station.
Copy that, moving 5L forward now.
Los resultados son excelentes. Puedes avanzar al siguiente punto.
Entendido. Abriendo la compuerta ahora.
Scan complete. Moving to the next.
134B, all clear.
The follicle count looks good on the right ovary. Agreed. The system shows optimal metrics.
The ultrasound shows clear results here. And the blood panel confirms. Excellent condition.
Vitals are strong. Note the clear lung sounds.
Confirmed. Vitals and respiration logged as healthy. The ultrasound shows healthy tissue structure here.
Confirmed. We can finalize the report. Ultrasound looks good. Clear this one.
Confirmed. Data uploaded and verified. Bring up the next one.
All clear on this group. Minimal stress detected.
Confirmed. Opening the next gate now.
Data looks good. Note the calcium levels.
Yes, Doctor. Opening the gate now.
Keep moving straight, slowly now. Into the next section.
I found a small imperfection here.
Okay, I'll log that in the system. There are still a few sheets left to check.
The pressure seems optimal on this batch.
Yes, the automated calibration worked perfectly.
Excellent yield.
This section here, the grain is slightly off.
Noted. It still passes quality control.
The spectral reading on batch 4B is slightly off the baseline.
Yes, I see that. Let's adjust the flow rate by 5% and rescan. Check the consistency right here. The readings are stable. It meets the standard.
The edges are perfectly clean on this batch. Good, log it in the system.
This shipment of mahogany leather is showing as received, but I only count 45 rolls on the shelf.
Let me check the staging area manifest.
We have a slight variation here on the texture.
Noted. It's updated in the system.
This batch looks excellent. Did the inventory count match the manifest, Sanjay?
Yes, Inspector. We cross-referenced it this morning. All 50 hides are accounted for.
Measurements are all within spec. See the green indicator. Yes, confirmed pass. Let's move this batch forward.
The laser alignment is holding steady on this batch.
Excellent. Let's maintain these parameters for the next run.
The stitching on the collar is perfect. Keep up the pace.
This collar finish is perfect, right on standard.
Yes, the brown tones are consistent across the line.
The final inspection numbers are looking very strong. We're ahead of schedule.
That's excellent news. The client will be pleased.